I'm Matt Trainer, Product Experience Manager for AI Studio, and I'm here to talk to you today about workspaces. Workspaces can be accessed when you're inside of a project in AI Studio. So in this case, the demonstration I'll walk through, we're going to create a project and then create a workspace. All right, so we'll quickly create this project. We'll just call this demonstration. We'll make it shared. It doesn't matter if it was private or shared in this case, though. We'll add a little tag. This is just a demonstration, so we'll let our collaborators know we can delete this. All right, so we'll continue on. We'll just skip connecting data for now, create the project. All right, we're here and we're ready to create a new workspace. So in order to do so, just hit a new workspace. All right, so if you want to create a workspace using our predefined templates, you can simply see them here. These are built for ease and speed. These are containerized images that you can download when you're ready to start your project. So to learn what's in each one, just simply click on Learn More. The card will flip over and you'll see a basic description for what's in each one of these templates. So that was the small, then go to data science. You can see the data science builds on everything that the small, but includes some other tools such as Seaborn, Altair. Then the deep learning builds on everything that was in the first two, plus now gets into deep learning libraries such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. Again, for ease and speed, if you're creating a project and you know that the libraries and the images that you need are in these predefined containers, you can simply click one, say maybe the deep learning one, you can select it, you can name your workspace, whatever you'd like to name it that pertains to your project, give it a name, and hit Create Workspace. Alternatively, if you don't want to use a predefined template, if you want a little bit more flexibility in the images that you're downloading, you can hit Create a Custom Workspace here. Now, here in the Create a Custom Workspace tab, you can see those same predefined templates that I just mentioned. You can see them here, and you can hit the drop down, and you can see all of the specific tools that are in each one of those predefined libraries. Hit the Deep Learning GPU, and there you can see all the tools that are in that deep learning predefined template. So what I'm going to do in this particular case, I'm going to go ahead and select that deep learning GPU because it had some libraries in there that I want. But I know for this particular project that I'm going to need some additional ones that are outside of that predefined template. So you can come over here to this field here, and you can see the demonstration that we give. You can simply type in any tool or library that you want here, and it will pull it in for you. So in this case, just as an example, I can type in XGBoost, which is a decision tree library that I'm going to need for my project. I type that in here. Now, if I come down, I've named it. If I were to hit Create My Workspace now, what would happen is I have selected the deep learning GPU. I'm also going to add, so I'm going to download all of those tools and libraries. I'm also going to download XGBoost because I've defined it here. You have three different methods to define your workspace: the templates, the free-flowing text field here, or as a third option, if you have a requirements.txt file, you can simply upload that here with a definition for the libraries that you need. So you can use a combination of all of those or just one of those to define your workspace, however you'd like to do it. In this particular case, I'll go ahead and go with that deep learning GPU library plus XGBoost. This recommended setup here, this is simply meant as a way to let your colleagues know about the recommended compute resources that you think you'll need for this. This does not define how much GPU, memory, VRAM, or GPUs that you'll need. It's simply a note to notate what your project. All right, so I'll go ahead and hit Create Workspace. Workspace created. Now you can see here, and you can see it on the last screen too. You see the little download button there. I have not downloaded these images yet. The very first time that I go to run this project, run this workspace, I hit the play button there, and you can see it gives me a message, downloading image, deep learning GPU. The very first time that you download or run your workspace, your defined workspace, it's going to need to go download those particular tools. So again, these are containerized, it's reaching out, It's going to download them all. So the time that it takes to download, these are pretty heavy images. I don't know exactly how big they are, but they're pretty heavy. The speed at which this workspace is going to spin up, since it has to download these first, is going to be dependent on your internet. So it's reaching out right now and it's downloading those images. As soon as it gets done downloading, it's going to come back, tell me they're downloaded, and it's going to spin up my workspace. All right, so our workspace has now spun up. As soon as the workspace launches, it'll launch you directly into the workspace where you can access your notebook.